In this video, we're going to show you how we're going to do some fall gardening prep by sanitizing our pots and trays. And we're going to start right now. What's going on YouTube Gardening? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. Hopefully after watching this video you're going to learn how to sanitize your seedling trays and your pots. And you're also going to learn why it's beneficial that you do this. Now if you like these type of videos, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Now the reason why we want to sanitize our seedling trays and our pots is for a simple fact that we might have any type of disease or fungus that might have been growing into the seedling trays and pots during the summertime, and so we don't want to carry that over while we're doing our fall garden. And the easy way to alleviate that is we'll do a dish detergent. We'll wash our seedling trays and our pots into some dish detergent that has no dyes, no perfumes, and then after that we'll rinse it off in some bleach and some water. Now normally you want to do about a tablespoon per gallon. For us, since we're using this 32-inch or 32-gallon trash can, we're going to do a cup full of bleach. All right, so we got our pots in here, and all we're going to do is just scrub them real good, get the most of all the dirt off of it. Now this is, you don't have to do this, but like I said, if you have any type of disease that you don't know about or fungus that you don't know about, it's going to be very important that you sterilize and sanitize your pots, for that way you can guarantee and improve your chance of germination and a healthy seedling. So all you have to do is just soak them in for a little bit and just get the most of all the dirt in off of through here, and then you scrub on the outside, and then once you see that you get most of all the dirt on there, what I normally do is another rinse, and then if I don't see any dirt, then I just dunk it into the little sanitizing rinse cycle. And we normally do this about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll pull it out and let it air dry for about another 10-15 minutes. So we got these bootstrap farmer trays drying out here now. We're going to let them dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, if you're a first-time gardener, I would stay with your regular big box store to see if you really like your first year of gardening. And then if this is something that you would like to do, definitely go with these bootstrap farmer trays and pots, because they're durable. They're going to definitely last you a lot longer. And as you can see, the way we were scrubbing off the dirt on here, it will definitely benefit you. Now, we're going to be getting ready to start our fall garden. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Alright, so as you can see, we got a lot to do and it's very easy, so we're not going to bore you with that. We got other videos if you want to follow along. We'll put a playlist above here. Until the next video, let's grow together.